Hey everybody. I'm sure you've all seen fresh fruit and vegetables at home. Do you know where this food comes from or how it's made? That's right. Animals, fruit and vegetables are all grown on large farms, kind of like this one here. Do you think we'll be able to make our own mini farms right here in class? We're going to see how this food goes from the ground to our kitchens by planting our own fruit and vegetables. So before we start any hands-on activities, we will go through the lesson and list the equipment that we need. So of course, for safety reasons, each student is going to need a pair of gloves and an apron. This will ensure our hands stay safe and make sure that we stay clean throughout the whole activity. So we're also going to need materials to help set up our mini farms. For example, why don't we use recycled materials? So we could use old plastic bottles, just like these ones, to plant our seeds in. We'll obviously need to cut them with scissors, and that will be with supervision from the teacher. We could also use rainwater collected outside by leaving buckets outside our classroom, and this could collect water that we could use to feed our plants. So another thing we can do is collect old fruit skins, just like this banana, and other fruit skins, and this will create a compost that we can eventually use to feed our plants. Okay, so we know by now that plants and vegetables need water and nutrient-rich soil to survive, just how we need to eat every day and drink water to live and be healthy. So plants also need sunlight to grow, as well as space as they grow in size. So where would be a good place to put these mini gardens? If you thought outside, you are correct. So we're going to be using our tablets, as well as a video viewing site, YouTube, to view videos about nutritious fruits and vegetables that we can grow. We will also watch farming videos to look at ways that we can organize our mini farms so that they have room to grow and that we have room to move around the plants. Okay, teamwork is very important to help build and take care of our farms. So as a class, we will decide how to set up our little farms, who will water the plants, and we will all write down one thing that we've learnt about fresh fruits and vegetables and one thing that we've learnt about farming. Lastly, we should ask ourselves some questions. If we grew a little garden at home, where could we place it? Also, what materials could you find around your house that you could recycle to use to create your own farms? And lastly, what type of food would you grow for your family to eat and why? So think about that, and thanks for listening.